Hey guys, it's Dane here with a new video, and today we're going to be making this. So obviously it's Dragon Ball, and it's all made out of wood and acrylic, and these Dragon Balls, all 7 of them, actually light up a nice yellowish orange glow like they should, and they do in the shows. So I have Patreon members who got to take a poll and see what I was going to cut out with my laser cutter next, and this was the one that we chose from that list. So I cut out some other samples that they get to see and all that, and if you want to know more about that, I'll talk about it at the end of the video. Other than creating all this and having the Patreon people help me with it, we can just go into the build for it. So I glued all those in and took off the plastic, which took 3,000 days. Pay close attention to the lights that I put the white sheet underneath. They glow brighter and more diffused. So I'm just going to put some of this behind it. We're going to back the whole thing just so it's all uniform. And something I did was wire up the LEDs, so I just got LED strips rolled in circles here, and wires going through, so it's just a straight line, and plugs in, just like that, plugs in, and there's going to be foam in the back, so that's what I'm doing. Alright, so as we can see, the balls glow bright, shining orangish yellow. In real life, it's a lot more diffused glow and it looks pretty even throughout. There's not much of like bright spots and low spots, but yeah, there it is. It looks amazing. And it's all hung up on a wall. So I just put on a random thing I found for mounting stuff on walls. And that's it, finished. Alright, so this thing looks really cool. It lights up really well, and we just saw that. And all these Dragon Balls glow. Well, hold on, if I've collected all the Dragon Balls, and he's right here, how about I ask him for a wish, you know? Of all the things I could wish for right now, and all these trying times, maybe I should ask to be a couple inches taller. That seems like a good wish, right? Alright, all jokes aside, so we saw me make this, but we also know that the Patreons who were able to suggest things suggested this. And if you want to see some more benefits like that, the people on that list, like Henry Creations at the top of the list, is actually the guy that suggested Dragon Ball in the list, and I chose that for the thing to make. And this artwork, I'll talk about that in a little bit. But as far as Patreon goes, we have all the people that suggest things, and they get to see stuff, like I said. So they got to see other things that I cut out as test pieces, and you're not going to get to see them unless you go and join the Patreon also. And that's just it. So there's a whole bunch of benefits. Check it out. Link in the description below. As far as this artwork goes, like I said, the person who made this, they have a thing on DeviantArt where it says it's free use as long as I credit them. I forgot their name, so I'm crediting them in the video description below, and I'm going to post the video to their channel so that they can see it. But just know that this was created by someone who's linked in the description, and their artwork looks really cool. I did change it into like vector lines, so that way the laser would cut it faster. So it's like technically not exactly their artwork, but it's still their artwork. Yeah. So I'm crediting the artist in the bottom. You can look at that. And if you see over here, we have these videos. So I might be making some more stuff or doing something that's really cool. And if you look over here, oh, look at that. I have more links you can click on for Patreon or subscribing. Those are really fun to click on. You should click on them. Click on them. Yeah. All right. Well, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.